Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Cine. I share crafty DIY videos on every Saturday. So if you like DIY stuff, then consider subscribing. Now today I am sharing DIY shaker card for Teachers Day. So let's get started. First, you will need a white cardstock which measures 6.5 by 10 inches. Then fold it in half to make a top fold card. Next, you will need a blue piece of paper which measures 4 by 5 inches. Then mark half-inch line on all 4 sides of this blue paper. Now this tape is optional, but I am making all corners round. Then cut this out with the help of scissors. And you will end up with this pretty frame. Now trace this frame on a card with the help of a pencil. Now here I am writing Happy Teachers Day with black marker. Now to make a shaker card, you will need this 3D foam tape. Apply foam tape on frame area we traced earlier and make sure to stay in lines while applying the tape. Now make sure that there is no gap in the corners, otherwise the sequence can get released from open area. Next, you will need a thick transparency sheet or a plastic sheet from packaging. Then trace outer line of blue frame on transparency sheet. Next, cut it out with the help of scissors. Make sure that transparency sheet is slightly smaller than our blue frame. Now it's time to add some sequins to our shaker card. Now I am adding some blue sequins, but you can add any sequins you have at home. Now I am using some white iridescent sequins to add some magic. Now peel off backing of the tape very carefully. Stick transparency sheet on top of it. Now stick the blue frame on top of it with the help of a liquid glue. And your basic shaker card is ready. Now I am punching some flowers out of red cardstock to decorate this shaker card. Now I am drawing some pollens with gold marker. Now place the flower on your palm and shape it with round tool. It will give the flower 3D look. Then punch out some leaves too. If you don't have leaves punch, then you can punch out a flower out of green cardstock and cut off the petals to make the leaves. Now to make a ruler, take a tiny strip of yellow cardstock and then mark measuring lines with black pen. Now stick everything on card using liquid glue. And your Teacher's Day shaker card is ready to shake. Now you can make this card for any occasion just by changing the sentiment by birthday, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Friendship's Day, or just a thank you card. So just give it a try. And if you recreate it, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIY I would love to see them. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will try my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day and happy crafting!